everybody, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. Today I'm just doing a quick mom on the go video because you guys said you like these. I was actually going to take my kids out to the park today and bring y'all along with me, but they walked outside. It's 90 degrees and humid here and they're like, no thank you. They decided they didn't want to go to the park today, so I am on my way to the post office and I need to drop off some shop orders and pick up a few things, so I'll have something here to show you guys in just a few minutes. Okay, I dropped off my mail and now I'm back in the car and I picked up a few things. If you guys have been following myself, Kathy's Cute Creations, and Donna Strunz of Handmade by Ying, you'll know that we're doing a traveling quilt project, which is a charity quilt, and actually it ended up from turning in from 1 quilt to 3 quilts because so many people volunteered. So thank you all so very much to do blocks and to make them into quilt tops. So today I received from Donna the very first top. She put all the blocks together that you guys sent in. So this arrived. Oh, look at these beautiful blocks. You guys have done such an amazing job. Every one of these blocks is just gorgeous. I can't wait to get this fully opened when I get it home and take a look at it. But there's just every single one of them I see is just so pretty. I love the fabric choices you all made. It's gorgeous. So that arrived today. So that was some fun Happy Mail. Do you guys do the informed delivery from USPS where you get an email every day of what you're going to get? I do, and I love it. And if you don't, you should. All you have to do is go to USPS, look for informed delivery, sign up, and they send you a snapshot of all your mail pieces for the day, even bills. But at least you know what to expect for the day, and all your packages. So I knew I had a couple packages coming. Actually, that quilt wasn't supposed to be here till tomorrow, so that was a fun surprise that I found here today. But the package that I knew was coming and I was excited about was my So Yeah Basics box. So this is the July Basics box. So I'm gonna sit here and open it because my husband was home this afternoon, so I took off to the post office by myself. So I have a few minutes of quiet without the kids. I'm gonna take advantage of it and open this box. Because once I get home, the kids are gonna go, Mommy, Mommy, Mommy. So I'm gonna open this for you guys now. Not that I don't love that, but it's a little hard to open things. Okay, so the first thing I see on top is, oh, I like this. It's a sticker that says, quilting is my therapy. Very nice. And then their dad joke this time says, what's the best way to watch a fly fishing tournament? Live stream. Okay, their dad jokes are good, but they're bad. They're funny, but they're, yeah. Anyway, so it looks like the fabric this month, we get the QR code so we can get the pattern and stuff. I can't show you the pattern because I don't have it yet. A lot of times they don't put up the video on the pattern until after the boxes go out, so you know it's really hard. But it looks like we got something from Maywood Studios fabric this time. So, and it looks like black Orfil thread according to this card. So I can't wait to get in here and see what it is. I don't know a lot about Maywood Studios. I sell Moda on Riley Blake, and unless I've been introduced to something from another company, and that's exactly why I got this box, I don't know a lot about them, so I am excited to open this and see what is in here. Okay, let's see. Right on top is a So Yeah quilting bag. This is like one of those shopping bags that you can use. That it's not like a super thick canvas bag, but it's a nice, like, sturdy bag, like one that you might get in a store as an upgrade to like a plastic bag, so you don't have to use a plastic bag. So that's kind of nice. And here's the black Orfil thread that was right on top. Oh, okay. So this is, I don't know what the collection is because like I said, I don't know Maywood Studios. Let me take a look and see if there's anything on the salvage. It's called Shadow Play. And this looks like it's just a black fabric. I don't really see, it almost looks like a little bit of modeling, kind of like a marble, but it's very a very small amount. Like it almost looks solid. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a very small amount of marbling. It's pretty much a black solid. That to me reads as a solid. Now this is really pretty though. Not that that's not pretty. It's a nice solid, I think. It looks like a solid to me. I know it's not a solid, but it's got a very subtle marbling. This one is called Gelato Ombre by Maywood. This is beautiful. Okay, so it goes from purple to yellow in the middle, and then from yellow back to purple. So I'm just going to show you guys one side, but look how pretty this is. My goodness, I love it. And I can't tell how much they gave us. It's at least, I think it's about a yard. It feels like it's about a yard. Looks like they gave us about a yard of this. This is beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The only thing I have to say is, holding it up, it's very thin. I can see right through it. But it's very beautiful. I don't know if I would use this in a quilt because it's very thin, but that's just my opinion. I would definitely use this for a bag though. I think this would make a really, really cute bag because you could line it. But it's pretty. Now this one, the black marbly, it's not thin like that. It's a thicker fabric. This I would definitely use in a quilt for sure. Like I said, it's called shadow play. I guess that's an appropriate word for it because it's almost like shadow is on the fabric, right? Very, very subtle marbling. To me, it mostly reads as a black solid though. I really, really like this black. That's really nice. I love this rainbow one too. This is beautiful. It's just very, very thin fabric. Even with it doubled up, I can see right through it. So probably wouldn't use that in a quilt just because I think over time, quilts in my house get abused. I have 4 children. Over time, I think it would wear through. But it would be really cute, like I said, in a bag or something else. So, because bags are lined, so you'd have that. You'd have the batting in between or whatever you put in there, and then the lining too, so you wouldn't be able to see through it at that point. But very nice box. So that's the July basics box from, so yeah. I had to think for a minute. So thanks for joining me today on the Mom on the Go. I'm gonna get out of here, get out of the post office, maybe get myself a tea on the way home from Starbucks, and get back home to my kiddos. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.